Welcome to Qi Men Dun Jia. Hi, my name is Dougles Chan. I'm the Qimen teacher over here, and I teach people how to use Qi Men Dun Jia to change their life for the better. Today, I'm going to share certain tips, simple tricks to actually improve your luck in your journey of life related to wealth, health, career, indirect wealth, direct wealth, etc., etc. So it's a very simple trick in this Qi Men Dun Jia. We use the process of enhancing the element of yourself. So what does that really mean? Meaning that every one of individually, we belongs to a certain group of element. It can be earth, it can be matter, it can be water, fire, or wood. These five different type of element. So in order to find your specific element, in the Qimen Dun Jia chart, we have to look at what is the focus that you want to go into, and then from there, you look at your element inside that particular box within the Qimen chart. So what happened is that I just give you an example. Let's say in your career box, you would have a element of fire. Fire, fire. So if you have a fire, what you need to do is you need to enhance the fire to make the fire even better and brighter and more fierce. So in order to make this fire better and fierce, you will need to add certain fuel, which things like, for example, wood. So wood will actually increase the fire to make the fire even better, which will enhance your career better. This is one illustration. So how do you actually add wood? So wood will represent things related to wood itself, plants, and things related to green color. Anything that is green color is good. Anything that is wood is good. In the event that you need wood to enhance your fire. So what happens if you belongs to this particular element called earth? So when earth stands for yellow, brown. So if you want to enhance, you also can use yellow and brown, but you also can use fire element to enhance the wood, enhance the earth to become better. So in this case itself, if you are earth, then you will need color related to fire. Things like pink color and red color, orange color, or even purple color. All this color, if you were to change, for example, your clothes, your handphone casing, your spectacle, your pants, everything related to what you wear can change the energy of your surrounding to enhance your earth, provided you are earth in this aspect. So what happens if you need metal? If you are metal, what you need to do, you need to have earth. Earth, you need something, you got soil, you got sand, things which are mountain, surround yourself with mountain, that will be best. And go for a walk in the mountain. And things related to yellow, things related to brown color. Or even you have a painting in the house that has a mountain without any sea, without any trees. Just pure mountain will be good enough to create the energy of the earth to enhance your matter energy. You see, so this is one simple trick to enhance the energy and improve your luck. But before that, you must understand what is the category that you need to identify to improve. In Qimen Dun Jia, every category you want to improve will be different. So be careful. It's not that you are going to use a day stamp to get your element. This is not correct. In Qimen Dun Jia, this is the easiest and the worst way to do it because it is totally not correct. In direct wealth, indirect wealth, health, business, career, and relationship, every one of them will have their own box in their own palace, and it will require different set of elements to help. So we need to be very specific in this aspect in terms of making your energy and your luck better. Okay, so continue to watch my video and subscribe to my channel for more information related to Qi Men Dun Jia. Thank you for watching.